strawberry cottage cheese, cheesecake, nabe.
If cheesecake were a feeling, this would be love.
Strawberry cheesecake. Ingredients: crushed shortbread cookies, melted butter, cottage cheese, sour cream, sugar, a pinch of vanilla, gelatin, fresh strawberries, jelly, crust. Crush the cookies into fine crumbs. Mix with melted butter until combined. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a springform pan. Chill in the refrigerator for 20-30 minutes.
Let each layer set properly before adding the next.
Filling. Bloom 25 g of gelatin in 100 ml of water for 5 to 10 minutes. In a blender, combine cottage cheese, sour cream, sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Add a few strawberries for flavor. Gently melt the gelatin, do not boil, let it cool slightly, and add to the mixture. Pour the filling onto the chilled crust and level it. Refrigerate for 1-2 hours until set. Strawberry topping. Pour the strawberry jelly powder into a bowl or small saucepan. Add 400 ml of boiling water and stir thoroughly until the powder is fully dissolved. While the jelly is cooling, slice the strawberries into thin pieces. Arrange the sliced strawberries evenly over the set cottage cheese layer of the cheesecake. Using a spoon, gently drizzle a small amount of the cooled jelly over the strawberries, just enough to lightly coat and hold them in place. Place the cheesecake in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Then, carefully pour the remaining jelly over the top to create a smooth, final layer. Return to the fridge and chill for 2 to 3 hours until fully set.
Bon appetit, my friend.